everyone, and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today I'm bringing you a lip swatch video of the new Miss Fame lipsticks. So before we get into this, a quick little disclaimer here. I'm moving my mirror out of the way. These lipsticks were kindly sent to me by a company called Riley Rose. They contacted me through Instagram, and I do believe it's one of those companies. It's kind of like a bulk seller, like a Beautylish or something like that, to where they sell multiple different brands and you can buy from them. But they contacted me and they sent me this company, and the company's name is called Miss Fame Beauty, and I believe these are their new lipsticks, and they contacted me to do a swatch video for them. Now, the swatch video was for Instagram, and I've already done all of that, so I just wanted to come on here and show you what I actually think of the lipsticks, the formula, the color, the packaging, all that good stuff. This video is 100% not sponsored. They did send these lipsticks to me for free, but there is no money exchange or anything like that. It's not sponsored whatsoever, but they did send me a cute little card right here with it. It says, "Hey love, thank you so much for collaborating with us. Can't wait to see your video," right there. And then that was the person that contacted me through Instagram. So thank you so much, Riley Rose. I really appreciate sending these over, and thank you so much to Miss Fame Beauty for allowing them to, for me to have these as well. Thank you so much. It was so nice of you guys to do that. But yeah, this video is not sponsored, so this is not a first impressions. Obviously, I've already used them. I've already tried them out. So I want to tell you what I think and do a little swatch video here and show you and tell you what I think of the formula and the packaging and all that. I'm rambling because I want to make sure I get everything out. I want to make sure I say everything correctly, but yeah, you guys, if you like to see the swatches and what I think of the actual product, then keep on watching. Okay, so I need to double check something really quick, because this is live right now. Like, this is live. I didn't know about this. I had a feeling. I had an inkling, okay? So I literally just got a Instagram comment on my video. Here's the actual video. If you haven't ever seen my Instagram, it's at Kenzie Scarlett. I'll have it right here, but here is the video, okay, of me doing the lip swatches on my Instagram. I just got a comment, and the company is called Miss Fame Beauty, and I know there is a very well-known drag queen by the name Miss Fame. I'll have them right here. I had a little bit of an inkling. I was like, Miss Fame, I've heard of that name before. Like, I've heard of that before. Before I actually received these, I went to the website, Miss Fame Beauty, and I noticed, I said, wow, it's very couture. It's very, like, very regal looking. I'll show you the actual website really quick. This is all live. And I didn't realize it at first, but I think this is Miss Fame, like the Miss Fame. I think this is their beauty brand. If it literally took me this long to figure that out, I'm so stupid. So here is what the front page looks like right there. And I think that's them. And then if you go to shop right up here, they only have these lipsticks out right now. So here is what these are right here, and I swear I think this is their beauty brand, and if it is, that's amazing. That's so great. But they just commented on my post. Let me find that right here. I don't know if you'll be able to see this, but I swear it's there. Focus right there, Miss Fame NYC, and it's verified. And then if I click on it, that's Miss Fame. That is Miss Fame, like the Miss Fame. Oh my goodness, that's wild. That is amazing. Thank you so much. I'm sorry. I literally just realized that because I just got a comment. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. Now, for me saying this, obviously, 100%, I'm still gonna give an honest review. I care more about like being honest and being open and genuine than I care about, you know, that. I think it's amazing, and I am honored. I'm floored to be noticed by Miss Fame of all people. Like, that's amazing. And then to be reviewing their brand, I'm so honored to do that. But when it comes down to it, I have to give an honest review, so I'm still going to do that. I'm going to say the exact same things that I told myself whenever I first swatched them, whenever I first used them, whenever I put them on my lips. So guys, let's get into it. I need to calm down for one, and I need to get this off my mouth as well. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use some Clinique Take the Day Off. Actually, let me go get my booty blender as well, and I'll come right back. So I just double checked on the website because I'm a literal idiot. And yeah, it is Miss Fame's debut brand. This is incredible. I did not, the first time that I looked at the website, I did not look at these little tick marks right here, and then it shows like home, shop, Miss Fame, and editorial right here. I did not go through and look at that. I just looked at the products. So that's on me for not knowing beforehand, but this is 100% Miss Fame's brand. That's amazing. So I'm super excited. We're gonna get into it. This has been like the longest like thing ever, but let's go ahead and jump into the swatches. I'm gonna show you the packaging first and everything like that. I did try to get this off as good as I possibly could. I was wearing the Kylie Cosmetics Posy K Velvet Liquid Lip, and this does not come off. I love the color, but it does not want to come off. First things first, I'm obviously going to show you the packaging. So this is what they look like. As you can see here, it's got Miss Fame's kind of like model portrait on there, and the packaging is really, really pretty. That was the first thing that I even mentioned when I got this product. The packaging is really, really gorgeous. I love the colors. I think the colors are really pretty. It's got Miss Fame right here on the side, and then also has the shade name right here. If you watched RuPaul's Drag Race, you know exactly what this is from. You know. Please leave in the comments if you know what this is from, if you've seen Miss Fame's season of Drag Race. And then when you open it up right here, it's got the little bullet inside. Now, the first thing I will go ahead and mention, and this is one of the first things that I noticed when I first pulled it out of the packaging, the actual like aluminum part right here, like the aluminum, like the actual casing, it does feel a bit light, and these are $19 each, so they are quite expensive lipsticks. So the packaging itself does feel a little light, a bit lighter than I would have liked. But here is what the packaging actually looks like. It is this really clean silver bullet, and it says Miss Fame on the side here. One thing that I was like so excited to see is that it is magnetized to the bottom. That's freaking cool. I was super, super excited to see that. Other than that, the packaging is very sleek. Again, I wish it would be a little bit more heavier. It doesn't have very much weight to it at all. But then opening this up, here is the first shade. It's called How's Your Head? And then it is this really gorgeous nude color. This one is definitely up my alley. I love these kinds of nudes. So let's go ahead and give this one a swatch real quick. I'll actually go ahead and do a hand swatch as well as a lip swatch. And please excuse my hand swatches, they're going to be awful. Here is the first one. As you can see, it is a really nice coral pink tone nude, and then putting it on the lips here. It's going on super nicely, really smooth. So here is the first one swatched here. Now, one thing I will point out, again, obviously these are not liquid lipsticks, these are cream lipsticks. So they're not going to be drying, so they're not going to dry down. They are going to be like a normal lipstick. So the transfer does happen, but this shade right here, I love this shade. Just so there's no confusion, I'm just going to go in order with how I did the swatches on Instagram. So this one was first. I love this color. I think it's really good. It wears nicely on the lips. It's a very soft formula, if that makes any sense. The formula is like really soft. So here is what this color looks like. I do like it. I think it wears really nicely, and I think it feels really good on the lips. So that one is the first one. Like I said, they do come off very easily since they are cream lipsticks. So taking it off and putting the other ones back on won't be like rough on my mouth or anything, so that's good. Alrighty, next we've got this one right here. And the same really, really pretty packaging. And then this one is called Flash of Flesh. And this one is a really, really nude. It's like very, very nude. It's a very yellow tone nude, which will look good on a lot of skin tones. Now, one thing I will already say about this, I don't like this shade because it is not good for my skin tone. I believe this will probably look the best on someone maybe of a medium or deeper skin tone, but here is what it looks like. Like I said, it is very yellow toned in my opinion. It has a bit of brown in there as well. And the shade in general, the formula is still really good. Like I've said, I've used these before already. The formula is still good, but the shade is just, it's not good for my personal skin tone. Here is what it looks like. So really good. I'm still obviously going to swatch it for you though. So this one right there, please excuse the pink line around my lips. I could not get that off to save my life. But then this one right here, again, same formula. So I like the formula a lot. It's really smooth on the lips. It looks really nice and feels nice, and it feels very creamy and very moisturizing. But the color is not for me. So if you can see this, it does blend in quite a lot and it does make me a bit washed out. So if you do have a deeper skin tone, I do believe this one may suit you a bit better. But the color looks like this. It is a very pretty color. Again, it's not suitable for my skin tone like I said. But yeah, this one is a Flash of Flesh. Alrighty, moving on here. The next one that I have is this one right here, and it is called Dirty Couture, and it is this really awesome blue shade. Again, here's the packaging, and then it has Dirty Couture, and then same kind of bullet for all of the lipsticks. And here is what this one looks like. Oh my god, you guys, it's like this kind of really dark royal blue shade. I love this shade in the stick here. And then here is what it looks like swatched. I did 2 swipes of that one just because it is quite a darker color and it is a bit more sheer than the rest of them. And let me go ahead and swatch it on the lips. So this one actually is the one that I like the least out of all of them, and the reason why is not because of the color. It's because this one right here, the color is great. The color is really pretty. It's like this deep navy blue color, if you can see that, and it has a bit of like a shine to it. But the formula on this one, I don't know if they're different formulas. I'm honestly not sure. But these are all very, very moisturizing lipsticks. They're not dry at all. They're not matte. They're not drying. They're very hydrating, and they kind of sit on the lips. So this one I have the most issue applying because the shade itself is quite sheer that I found, and when I try to go back over it or make it a little bit darker or try to like fill in any patches, it kind of lifts, like it lifts away from what I've already put down. So it makes it hard to really get a good like evenness, like even application on this one. So this one is my least favorite so far. I think if this color was in like a liquid lipstick, it would be amazing, but this one is not my favorite because it is so hydrating, and normally hydration's great, you know, it's really good to be hydrating, but like it doesn't stay. And I think that's the biggest issue with this one there, where there's a lot of bald patches and it's really hard to fill them in. So this one's my least favorite, unfortunately. Still using the same wipe to get all these off. Alright, so next up here we have the awesome pink. I love this color. It is called Fame. I don't know if I can say this on YouTube, so let me just show you the name right here. If you can see that, it is this gorgeous, like hot pink, stunning. My mom would be so in love with this shade. I like this shade a lot. If you can see this here, it is such a bold, kind of like Barbie, but like maybe like Barbie's awesome older sister. I don't even know. It looks so cool. Really, really bright pink color. And let's go ahead and give her a hand swatch. Yeah, really good pigment on the first swatch right here. Very, very like pigmented. And let's go ahead and put her on the lips. And there she is. I love this color. And when I did my Instagram video for this, when I was going back to edit it, I noticed that this color, I was like, does it make me look tan? It gives me kind of like a little bit of a tan. I don't know what it is. I usually hate pinks, and the thing is that I don't know if I'm gonna wear this. I don't know. I love the color. I love the formula on this one. I love the color. Again, I'm not sure if the formula changes between any of these. I like this one a lot. But I don't know what it is. I used to wear pinks like this all the time, like before I started doing like Instagram and YouTube and everything, but I since stopped wearing these kinds of shades. But like, I don't know. This looks really, really pretty, and I love the color. I don't know if I'll ever wear something like this out to like Target, but if I was like going to the beach and if I had a look on like this, or maybe just like a winged liner or just brows in this lip, absolutely, that would be so gorgeous. I love this color. This is one of my favorites and I think she's stunning. All right, and we are down to the very last one here, and it is the showstopper. It's the red. That's not it. Here it is. This one is called The Other Woman. Oh, scandalous. And then pulling this one out right here. I love this red. Let me go ahead and just say that right now. It's this gorgeous, fiery, very stark blue red shade. And it's actually amazing. Let me actually tell you one thing. I literally just thought about this. This is a cruelty-free product, which is great. Good for that. It has 0.11 ounces in each container. And then I did a hand swatch right here. There's that red, gorgeous, gorgeous red. And then we're going to go ahead and put this on the lips, and this will be the last one that we do. One thing that I didn't mention before, I'm sorry about this. Putting these on is super easy, but when I get to the bottom lip area, I notice that I have to turn it over and use this end right here because I can't very well get into like do like a nice line around the bottom of the lip unless I turn it over. So and that's fine. That's not hard for me to do or anything, but I thought that I would mention that. And here she is. I am obsessed with this color. I'm actually gonna take back what I said earlier. This does seem to be a smidgen deeper than like a stark straight up blue red, and maybe it may have a little bit more like a brown undertone. I'm not entirely sure, but it is definitely red, but it may not be as bright as a blue red, like just a straight up like fire engine red. It is a little bit deeper than that, but it's stunning. I'm obsessed with it. I love this color. I think it's beautiful. And then this one in that nude is going to be the one that I wear the absolute most. I love it. I think these are beautiful. You guys, that has been my swatch video on these. I think these are great. The only one that I didn't particularly like was the blue one, the Dirty Couture, and then the Flash of Flesh, and I only didn't like it because it was the wrong shade for me. I do believe that if you had a different skin tone, then it would work a bit better for you. Maybe a deeper skin tone or a medium skin tone, it could look better, but on me it just didn't look that great. But so these two were passes for me. But if you, obviously the ones that I don't like, just because they don't work for me 100% does not mean they won't work for you. So if you are still interested in either one of these, then by all means, please go for it. These three right here are my absolute favorites. The How's Your Head shade, the, I can't say that, I don't think so. That one, and then The Other Woman. I love these three, and I will be using these on a regular basis. I love them. They're great. But yes, you guys, that is going to be the video for today. Thank you again so much to Riley Rose for sending these to me. Thank you to Miss Fame Beauty for doing this as well. And thank you so much to Miss Fame themselves. I can't thank you enough for commenting on my post. I thought it was really, that literally brightened my day. It was amazing. But thank you so much for all of that. But you guys, I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up that like button for me and subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post, and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye!